Hello students, welcome to this class of Social Science, Civics, Chapter 3, topic Why do we need a parliament? In this video, we are going to study the last topic of the chapter, Why do we need parliament? And so far we have understood the different dimensions of parliament. We learned that how parliament is a representative house of people, and we also learned the functions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now what we are going to study is who are the people in parliament. In this topic we will study about the people who represent or who are our representative in the parliament. Let's start with the phrase Parliament represents the nation. Is it not that Parliament is representing the nation? If you want to see the representation of the country, then look at the Parliament. In the Parliament, you will find representatives from the Northeast, Central India, South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. So what does Parliament reflect? Parliament reflects every nook and corner of the country. It also represents all types of cultures and regions. So in this sense, Parliament represents the nation. So do you agree? So next, people from various backgrounds participate in the Parliament. People from different regions, different backgrounds, different political parties come to the Parliament and participate in it. Now for example, the National Party is of BJP, but suppose in Kerala and Tamil Nadu is ruled by some other political party. So the MPs from those states and parties also will sit in the Parliament. Why? Though the government may be BJP government, but what will the MPs of those other political parties do? As we have learned in the last topic that they will control, guide and inform the governments. So they can become a pressure group to the government, and they can also ask questions. So in Parliament we see representation from all sections of people, from rural areas, urban areas, from regional parties, national parties, etc. So what we see is that in Parliament all these parties express their views and freely. Then the next point is that there has been increase in political participation from Dalit and backward class. So keeping this idea in mind that from various background people come to participate in Parliament. Therefore, to ensure that communities that have been historically marginalized are given adequate representation. Marginalized means those communities who are outcasted from the society. So to ensure their representation in the Parliament, reservation of seats is provided in the Parliament for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes who were marginalized initially. Therefore, there are certain number of seats reserved only for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. That means there are some areas in every state from where only candidate from scheduled caste or scheduled tribes can contest. No general candidate can contest from those areas because those areas are reserved for the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. Now please refer to the map on page 41 of your book. You will see that out of the total 543 seats plus 2 Anglo-Indians, the total seats in the parliament becomes 545. So from out of 545, the reserve seat for general category seat is 423, and for scheduled caste, that is reserve seat, is 79, and for scheduled tribes it is 41. So this type of reservation of seat is made for the historically marginalized communities. Now similarly, it has more recently been suggested that there should be reservation of seats for women. This issue is still being debated. 60 years ago, only 4% of MPs were women, and today it is just above 9%. This is a small share when you consider the fact that half the population are women. It is issue of this kind that force the country to ask certain difficult and often unresolved questions about whether our democratic system is representative enough. The fact that we can ask this question and are working towards answer is a reflection of the strength and the faith that people in India have in a democratic form of governments. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you.